Here's how to make money with the Canva affiliate program by just following a few simple steps. Plus, this method is 100% free. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So Canva has grown so much in popularity over the last few years, especially amongst a lot of digital content creators out there. If you have a website or maybe you have a blog and you create content for your blog or even for your social media account, chances are Canva is definitely a tool that you are making use of. And since the popularity of Canva has been growing so much and it is such an in-demand tool, obviously there's always going to be some money-making opportunities that comes with it. And this is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. So how can you go about making money with this online editing tool called Canva? So there's so many different ways for you to make money with Canva, and I'm going to briefly talk about some of them later in this video. But the one that I want to focus more on right now is Canva's affiliate program. Canva has a very attractive affiliate program where you can get paid a decent amount of money every time you refer somebody to the platform. So if we have a look down here to Canva's pricing page, you'll see that they have three different plans. They have a free plan, a pro plan, and an enterprise plan. And this is a yearly plan. So let's just say we move this to monthly. So it only costs like $13 per month to use the Canva's pro features. Obviously the pro feature compared to the free feature will have a lot more templates and designs that you can use, as well as a lot more pictures and short videos that you can use as well. So as you can see, the pro plan really does not cost that much, only $13 per month, and it can be used up to 5 people. So if you have a team of 3 or 4 or 5 people, one membership of only $13 per month would be enough. But if we look at, say, their affiliate program, where you can earn some income by promoting Canva, you'll see that you would get paid up to $36 per referral that you make. So even if they sign up for only $13 per month, you would make up to $36 per referral, which is almost like 3 times what they would pay per month. And this is really a very interesting affiliate program that you could join and really promote, especially given the fact that Canva is extremely popular right now and there's such a huge demand for this tool. And it really seems like Canva is going to stay for the long haul. I don't see Canva going anywhere, and they're always improving this online tool. They're always adding new features all the time, and this is really a great opportunity if you want to really make money with affiliate marketing. Canva is really such a great program to promote as well. So how can you go about promoting Canva? So there's really 2 ways that I want to share with you. And the first way is to simply use YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest website on the planet in terms of traffic, and the kind of traffic that you get from YouTube is, in my opinion, one of the best out there because it's search engine traffic. YouTube is not just a video sharing website, it's also a search engine website where people go on YouTube to find solutions to their problem. People go on YouTube to learn new things. So YouTube traffic is really one of the best traffic out there if you want to promote any particular product or any particular service for that matter. And the great thing is you could create videos about Canva similar to some of those videos that you can see in here, and you really do not have to show your face. I know some of them in here are showing their face, but this is not really important. You can simply screen record your computer screen, and basically show people how to do certain things inside of Canva. Obviously this involves you spending some time with Canva, learning how to use the tool, because if you're going to show people, it's important that you know how to use it yourself. So once you've done that, you can really create those videos and show people how to use Canva. And there's so many things inside of Canva that you can teach people how to use. If you check this person here, he uploaded this video about a year ago and he got like 1.1 million views just from that one video. So let me bring up my calculator here, and let's say I put 1.1 million views. Okay, let's just say not even 1%. Let's just say not even half of a percent. Let's say 1/10 of a percent bought the Canva Pro. Okay, so a lot of those people most probably just watched the video to learn how to use Canva for free, right? But there's always going to be some people that are going to learn and use the Pro feature, because as I showed you, the Pro feature has a lot more features, right? So let's just say not even 1%, not even half of a percent, let's say 1/10 of a percent, bought the Canva Pro, right? Let's say multiply by 0.001, that would be 1/10 of a percent, right? Bought the Canva Pro. That's 1,100 people who bought the Canva Pro. And since you're getting paid $36 per referral, that's almost $40,000 he most probably made from that one video, which is pretty insane. So really, you can make so much money, promoting a tool like Canva if you remain consistent and you post consistently. Just to prove to you the immense demand that exists for this particular tool, if we go inside of my keyword research tool here, which is a feature of the vidIQ Chrome extension, and I type in, let's say, Canva, you will see that there are over 1.4 million people searching for Canva inside of YouTube, and it has like medium competition, which means that it is something that you can rank for. But if we look at some of the other keywords that people are typing on YouTube, you'll see that Canva tutorial, almost 500,000 people are searching for Canva tutorial every month, and it has low competition, so it's not going to be that hard for you to rank for this kind of keywords. So how to use Canva, 147,000 searches per month. How to use Canva for beginners, Canva tips, Canva tutorial for beginners, Canva tips and tricks. So as you can see, there's so many different keywords that you can go for if you decide to create videos around those keywords for Canva, and there's so much demand for this. And if you really take this seriously and you post content consistently on YouTube, and you make a video, let's say, every single day, you could really start getting more and more views, start building a huge following, and eventually those views will turn into money, referral money for you. So that's one way, doing YouTube, and I think that's the best traffic out there. The second way is to create pins, like on Pinterest. Okay, you could create content on Pinterest, similar to some of those that you can see in here. The one thing that I like with Pinterest is that the content for Pinterest is very easy to create. I mean, since you're going to create tutorial about Canva, you can pretty much create content for Pinterest on Canva, and as you can see, some of those content are very easy to create. A simple image with a big text either in the middle or at the top, and those type of content is very, very easy to create. And if you check this keyword research tool here, you'll see that when I type in Canva, this is a Pinterest keyword tool. It will show you some of the searches. Has Canva app has 22,000 monthly searches, Canva design 18,000, Canva logo 14,000, Canva template 8,000. So there is a demand for this, and you can see that even on Pinterest, people are searching for those kind of content. Obviously on YouTube you'll get more, because people are more like visual, they want to learn through videos, but you can pretty much create content on Pinterest as well, and then drive that traffic either to Canva and earn commission, or you could drive that traffic to your YouTube videos to really increase your views and rank higher on YouTube. So guys, this is really a legitimate ways of building an income online. If you spend like an hour or two per day, creating videos, creating content for Pinterest or YouTube, promoting Canva, you will eventually see amazing results. This is not one of those BS videos where you're going to make like where I'm going to tell you you're gonna make like $1 million or 100,000 bucks in like 1 month. This is most probably not going to happen, almost certainly not going to happen. This is going to take a little bit of time. You're going to have to post content consistently, and then after a few months you will start seeing amazing results. But this works really, really, really well if you take the time and you remain consistent with this. One final bonus tip I want to share with you is, once you become better and better using Canva and creating graphics and templates on Canva, one more thing you could do is, in addition to earning affiliate commissions, one more thing you could do is provide your services on a platform like Fiverr. As you can see here, Fiverr, you have people charging anywhere between $5 to $50, $100, creating Canva graphics. And you could also go on Upwork and provide your services on there as well. But this is more like an additional thing that you could do, but the main goal should be promoting Canva, because that's how you can create really passive income over time. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned from this video and all the things that I taught you. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.